Yo, kaboom! RIP headphone users. So here we go with the Samsung Galaxy S20. We have it in cloud blue, 128 gig. Yeah. Let's go. Look at that. S20. That's pretty much what you get out of the box. You get some earphones, AKG branded here, braided cable, and it is a USB Type-C, no 3.5mm audio jack. You get a USB Type-C data transfer and charging cable here. Leave that to one side. We also get a 3-pin UK power adapter, USB Type-C as you'd expect, and some empty box just to keep the plug in. And some more stuff. No paperwork this time. No, here we go. I missed it. The paperwork was in the top. You can just throw that away. Look at that. Cloud blue, they're calling this. Absolutely gorgeous. 6.2-inch display here. There's very little plastic around this thing, but listen to me very, very carefully. Hardly any sound at all. Cloud blue, they're calling this. Absolutely gorgeous. Samsung branded. It's not etched onto the glass here. Actually underneath. Power on this bad boy. While this thing's booting up, you can see a microphone, a SIM card tray, and a micro SD card tray along the top. Along the right hand side, you got volume up and down rockers, a power button, and further down you've got the speaker, USB Type-C data transfer and charging port, another microphone, and along the right hand side, completely clean. Along the back, you've got that camera layout though. You'll notice we have a time of flight sensor, LED flash, and 3 cameras. Now we have 2 of these cameras which are 12 megapixels, while the third one is 64 megapixels. I've only had it out a couple of minutes, but you can see the smudges already on the display. And if the camera will focus, you can see that edge of that screen protector going right the way around the device and around the punch hole display. And you can also see it if the camera will focus in right the way down the bottom here. But the display looks absolutely stunning. I had the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus before, and I thought that was pretty big for what it is, even though I've got pretty big hands. I thought I'd go with the 6.2-inch variant, and this actually is better to use in the hand, doesn't occupy all of your pocket, and looks absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for watching, have a wicked day, and I'll see you next time.